Today I'm going to show you how to make fresh thyme tea. Thyme is a herb that's grown in most gardens in the UK, or you can get yours from the supermarket. My trick to taking thyme leaves off is to turn it upside down and then simply squeeze the leaves off. I've used about 3 sprigs of thyme. It will make it quite strong, so if it's too strong for you, use less. Pour on your boiling hot water and leave it to sit for 10 minutes. Don't forget to cover it with a plate or a lid to keep in all those essential oils. Thyme tea is a natural expectorant, so if you're suffering with any mucus, like I am today with my sinuses, it will help to clear it. Once it's brewed, it gives you this pale, beautiful, yellowy kind of colour. It has a savoury and sweet flavour, woodsy and flowery at the same time.